Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really easy keto green smoothie recipe to share with you. It's got cucumber and avocado, which sounds like a bit of an interesting pair, but they work so well together and they create such a beautiful, delicious, creamy, sweet, delicious, refreshing smoothie that's great as a snack, or you can add a bit of protein powder and make it a whole breakfast shake, whatever you like. And this recipe actually comes from my ebook with 30 low-carb keto smoothie recipes. I'll leave a link down below to that if you're interested in taking a look and want even more yummy smoothie goodness that's low-carb and keto diet friendly. And I've written a full blog post to go along with the recipe, which I'll leave a link to down below. You can click that and pin, bookmark, save for when you want to make this easy keto green smoothie, and leave a like and a comment too. Let me know if you give this recipe a try, any adaptations you make, and remember to subscribe for more yummy recipes like this. So let's get on and make the smoothie. Okay, so we'll just move the ingredients to the side. I use a NutriBullet, so I've got my little container over here, and we're just going to fill it with all our ingredients. Starting with half a cup of milk. Just use your milk of choice. Next, I'm going to add a quarter of a cup of cream. Oh, beautiful cream. Half a teaspoon of stevia just to give it a little bit of sweetness. And then we just pop we pop the avocado in. And all the cucumber. All the cucumber, avocado is in, and with my NutriBullet I just pop the lid on, and then we'll pop it on to blend. Okay, all the ingredients are in, and let's blend to make our smoothie. Okay, I think that's done. You might need to just check and see whether you need to scrape down the sides, but oh, that looks pretty done. There you go. Beautiful keto green smoothie that's great as a snack or as a breakfast shake. Just add a bit of protein powder. You could top it with some chia seeds or mix through some chia seeds if you want, but any way you enjoy it, it's just such a yum way to get your greens in and to just have a lovely creamy smoothie. So that is the recipe for today. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe for more videos just like this, and a comment too. Let me know if you give this recipe a try, any adaptations you make, your way that you enjoyed it, and remember, check down below for the link to the blog post where it'll have all the ingredients and the step-by-step instructions. And as I said, I'll leave a link down below to my ebook with 30 low-carb smoothie recipes. There are so many yummy smoothies to choose from that are low-carb and keto diet friendly. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.